Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to show you guys how to get your eyebrows from looking like this to looking like this. If you guys are interested to see my eyebrow grooming routine, please be sure to keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all notified every time I post, and let's get right into the video. So we're going to need a razor blade. I'll be using the Supermax Platinum brand. You can use any one you choose. We're also going to need a spoolie and a eyeliner. So I'm going to start by brushing my eyebrows upward and outward. I like to use my razor blade with half of the razor blade exposed for safety reasons, obviously. So I'm just going to start by trimming the upper part of my eyebrow, and as you guys can see, I'm just using the razor blade in a downward motion to get a straight line. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the spoolie to brush my eyebrows upward and outward so that I can give the hairs a really quick trim. To trim the hairs, I literally just press with the razor blades onto the hair and it splits. Now I'm just going to go back in with the spoolie again to ensure that I get rid of any loose hairs, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows in a downward motion to ensure that the line is properly straight. Again, we're going to brush our hair in a upward motion and move to the bottom section of our eyebrow. I like to hold my eyebrow in a lifted position and just get rid of any unwanted hairs at the end of my eyebrow. Keep using the spoolie to ensure that you get rid of all the loose hair and that you have control of the direction that your hair goes. To ensure that the line is straight, I just like to use the end of the razor blade and send it behind the hairs that I want to get rid of, and I just drag down in a really slow motion to ensure that the line is straight. Here's a closer look. Here you guys are going to see me touch up the end of my eyebrow, and we're going to move to the other side. Okay, so this is what our first side looks like. Now we're just going to repeat the same steps on the other side. So if you're unable to just shape your eyebrows like I did in the first section, here's an easier way. You can use an eye pencil to mark a guide and you can start shaping. Use your eyeliner to draw an outline on your eyebrow of the exact shape and size that you want it to be. Here's my outline. Once your outline is drawn, you can just repeat the steps in the first section of the video. you guys are just going to see me go in the center to get rid of the little unibrow and any hairs that may be lingering on my forehead area. Once I'm finished, I'm just going to go in with my simple toner on a cotton pad to remove all of the makeup on the eyebrow we just shaped, and yeah, we're gonna see if we like the way it turned out. So this is what it came out looking like. Of course, you guys can see that we need to go back in with the razor blade to remove a bit of unwanted hair that we have growing at the bottom, and I do think that it's a bit thicker than the first side as well, so we're just going to slim that side down a bit. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, here is the results. They come out looking pretty cute to me. Leave a comment in the comment section saying if you guys agree with me or not. But yeah, once I'm finished with all the shaping and using of razor blades, I just like to go in with some hydrogen peroxide to clean the area where the razor blade has touched. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all are notified every time I post, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.